Hello traders, John at StockBookie.com. Today we're looking at the IBB on the daily, weekly, monthly time frames using technical analysis here at StockBookie.com. If you like these videos, go to StockBookie.com, sign up for the free membership, or subscribe at YouTube. All right, let's go into the daily chart. We had 521,000 on the day. Light volume, guys, but we're starting to pull back. We had a great bullish pattern here, popped up into another gap fill at 321.08. Chopped around for a couple days, nice follow through down in the 382 area, popped it back up, get some more people on board long, drop it, keep it steady right here. It was up a little bit on Monday, no great shakes, but it is holding the 382 or trying. This down sideways pattern above the MAs is setting up for possible lower prices. Let's see what happens when this 20 MA curls into price, and maybe it does bring it back up to the highs. If not, then let's see what happens if this goes sideways for the next week or so, possibly setting up for lower prices. This is the daily chart though, guys. Let's go to the weekly time frame, a little bit bigger. Weekly had a nice reversal bar here. It didn't engulf almost 50% of that. So let's see now, down, sideways. Let's see if this goes in a bearish pattern, setting up for lower prices in the next couple of weeks. If this goes back and returns up above the 321.08 or the all-time or the high pivot here at 323.71, then possible higher prices to come. Here's another gap fill. We talked about this one right at 337.56 and this high pivot here at 343.88. That'd be your next targets for the upside if this can stay in the upper range of consolidation. Again, down sideways consolidation will be slightly bearish, so we'll have to keep an eye on this pattern. No pattern's really developing yet other than a nice reversal here. If we get some follow through, if we close down here on the weekly chart 307, 306, that could possibly mean lower prices to come. We get stretched from the 20 MA as well at 296. We have a little bit more time, a little bit more to go down, and then maybe the next bounce up. Overall markets will determine where these things go. If the SPY, the IWM, the Qs are weak, this will possibly slide as well. Monthly chart. Monthly chart, guys, this is the big inside bar bearish pattern, just chopping around. We are above the MA, so it is slightly stronger, but until we get above that 331 area or so, this is inside bar bearish pattern on the monthly. This one did the same thing, down, 4 months sideways, down. Now we're going, I don't know, 12, like 14, 15 months sideways inside this pattern. Guys, if this pattern plays out, we are going down to 207. And I wouldn't doubt if we fill this gap here at 173 and then hit this pivot here at 164. So this could lead to lower prices. The only way this thing's going to break up, we got to get above here and above this gap fill around the 338 and then possibly higher prices from there. So let's keep a high eye on this one. If it stays in this range, keeps chopping around, first step, getting below these, and then possibly slipping and going. We'll have support here at 240, 250. 207, stuff like that, but just keep an eye on this pattern, guys. Let's go back to the daily really quick. This is telling me this could possibly lower prices if the markets stay buoyant, low volume SPY. This could chop up and try to lead the Qs. Remember, the Qs are a little bit weak right now. If this stays weak, then the Qs are going to go down lower. If this pops up, this could possibly help the Qs. Maybe if Amazon goes down, Facebook, Google, and all those start to head down, this might head up to possibly help the Qs, guys. So right now, though, IBB, nothing wrong. Just waiting for pattern. Let's see if this thing's going to set up for lower prices. We'll see what happens with the 20 MA that curls into the price action and then go from there. Right now, though, guys, this up move, it's got to pull back a little bit more. I'd expect this 618 or the 750 or the 50 MA and then possibly more upside. So right now, waiting on pattern. That's all we're doing. All right, guys, thanks for stopping by and watching my videos. I really do appreciate it. God bless. See you on the charts.